Alright, this is wide open. Tell me what's in my background. If you didn't know that those are my computers, my computer monitors. Look at that. Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh, this life is dumb. Hey. YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Small Pound, back with another video playing a head top. I'm out here in Nakano. I'm out shopping for camera gear. I need a tripod. I want to get a cage for it to do some handheld filming, B-roll type deals. So I'm gonna see what they have. Check it out. It's kind of packed. It's Sunday. Halloween is around the corner. So if I see a costume, I might have to get that too. See the Small Pound hat. But yeah, what we looking like. This store. Alright, I'm gonna check this store out. So here they have some used lenses. I don't see one of the two that I'm looking for, but still got some cool stuff in here. Tamron, I heard that was a good 2875. Alright, just hit the first cop. I got a cage for the camera. I always see this store. I love this store. Come here every time. Look at this. I don't know how much I could get for these. I have two. Jackets go hard. I might just cop. Alright, so I guess I'm on a floor that I've never been on, because this is something new. Everything is closed. Everything. Check out this store. I guess they could call it a cuddly store. They're doing a photo shoot. Photo shoot in the cuddly store. Let's see what's around this corner. Nothing. Go downstairs. Alright, so I'm back here at the same jacket store, and I saw this one that I did not see last time. That is hard. So I'm still looking for more camera gear, but that store, that was mainly for like big cameras, big videography equipment. So he actually gave me a map to another spot, and I'm gonna have to go and find it. On the other side of the train station. Shouldn't be too hard. Shouldn't be too hard. Y'all remember this spot from a previous video? Alright, so I just came upstairs on the other side, and now we have life. So, the only bad thing about this place, it's like a maze. And there's no way to really like memorize where stuff is at all. So right now there's a lot of stuff open, but it's not like normal. So I'm gonna stick to my original plan. Go look for equipment and go home. Kind of lost, but it's all good. All right, time to go hunt for that store. Walking out, I'm pretty sure it's dark outside, so we'll see what happens. Still no shortage of people. Yep, dark outside. Camera. Alright, so fun tip. If you ever buy this drink, shake it up before you drink it, or you're gonna be disappointed. It's kind of like a jello type vibe. Kind of like a, you know, the little jello cups with the fruit inside. That's what it's like. Life update. I've been walking and I still haven't found it. I already made 2 wrong turns. Getting frustrated, but still look. I don't know where it is. I think I'm close though. That's the crazy part. I know I'm close. I just don't know where exactly it is. Nakano at night. Sunday night. Everybody's still out here. Alright, I had to sit down for a second to recalibrate, but I'm good. I know where I'm going, baby. Got the maps. Let's go. So let me tell you how I've been walking for about 30 minutes. And I ended up back in the same location that I left. Don't ask how. I'm still on my way. Finally got the lens I've been searching for. Finally found the store and found the lens. It's like, it's cheaper than Amazon, because this would be like 900 to 1,000 on Amazon. This is a Carl Zeiss 55mm f1.8. Ooh, that thing is about to be so crazy. I need one more lens and I'm good, and I'm gonna stop. This one is about 600 here, so I am saving some coin. Okay, when I say mission, you say accomplished. Got the land, saved some coin. After the conversion, I paid $546. Lit. Might get a tripod. Oh, need one. I don't know. So save some serious chips. All right, no tripod today. I'm pretty sure my bank account's already screaming at me like, chill out. And I just had to re-up my car insurance too. Friday. Pockets taking a hit, but I couldn't pass up on the lens. Yo, all right, so I made it home. I showered, cut my hair. Nice little cut. Yeah, I cut my own hair. I'm not gonna cut my hair for maybe a month because it's wolfing season. The weather's getting colder outside, so I'm not gonna be sweating walking around Japan. So I'm gonna get the waves right, all right? I'm gonna use this opportunity to get the waves right. Anyway, I want to talk to you about the lens. If I can find it. This is the lens I bought today. Hold on, I do like the females in the makeup tutorials. This is it right here. No, but seriously, this is the Sony Carl Zeiss 55mm f1.8 wide open aperture, man. This lens is something serious. I don't even know if you can see, but yeah, this lens quality is crazy. My buddy Nomura-san, when we do the photo shoots, he uses this along with some other lenses, but this one right here, this is crazy. You could check out some of the pictures on my Instagram at smallpound. But I'm gonna swap the lens too, so you guys can see it. I also got this small rig cage that's gonna go directly over the camera, and then I can put different attachments on it. I can put the microphone on here, a light, a handle, so I can do like nice handheld, slow B-roll type footage, or a dance video that I'm actually gonna film for somebody soon. Actually, for Yuki-san that was with me in the last 2 videos. If you haven't already seen them, go check it out. It's the Light Museum. It's pretty dope. But I'm gonna swap out this lens, and then you're gonna see how it is. So It's a 55mm non-zoom lens, so it's just gonna be, it's a static lens. But you're just gonna see, just focus on this background. And now look at this. Whoa, look at that picture. The depth of field is ridiculous. This lens is crazy. The pictures that's gonna be on this lens. Oh, this is dope. I feel like taking some test shots. The only drawback is that it's a non-zoom lens, but with what it can do, yeah, I mean, that doesn't even matter. Like, it's not even all the way, like, let me, all right, this is wide open. Tell me what's in my background. If you didn't know that those are my computers, my computer monitors. Look at that. Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh, this lens is dope. Hey, look, I won't be vlogging on this lens. This is gonna be primarily for shoots and things of that nature. But I don't know, maybe if I want to set it up and I'm doing maybe just a talking scene, this would be so beautiful. Wow, look at that. Autofocus is ridiculous. Oh. Hey, that's it. Appreciate you checking out the video. Like, share, subscribe, tag everybody. That's all I got.